Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 13th, 2022. Uber stock. Yeah, it's a sell. And I'm going to show you why. I'm going to provide some details to show you from my perspective as to why Uber stock is going to go down in price. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Before I go into all of that, you guys like it? You guys appreciate that someone is actually out here on these YouTube streets dropping price targets, dropping price predictions on a price chart without the confusion? You came to the right spot. Before you head out, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because I'm gonna keep it real. You guys don't want to miss out on my price predictions. Yeah, I show you all in a simplistic form that it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to expect to hold stocks for the long term, for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years, just to grab some profits. Where are these individuals getting this notion from? Make you question. Now, I did a video in Uber on my prior channel, HueFin News, right? Take a look at this. It is right here. And you could go to that channel right now today and listen to what was said about Uber stock there, right? October the 9th, 2020. It's almost been 2 years. And even then, I was bullish into the market in Uber stock. You guys can see it is still here on the chart. This is one of the fascinating things about TradingView. It continues to hold what your original thoughts were back in the day. So for us to see the price in Uber go up then, it's only 5.93%, but look at what the price action has done. Yeah, the market went all the way up there to $62.50, which is 69% profitability right there. So imagine if I would have continued to do price prediction off of this market in Uber. Yeah, you could have gotten around 69% out of this. Now it's over. It is done. Time has severely passed. A lot has changed in the market for Uber. So now let's speak on this, because back in 2020, a lot of YouTubers talking about Uber stock. You know, they was very bullish into the market, and hopefully you was able to grab the bag, because now look at this. You tell me, does this look bullish to you? Does this look like the market is going to go up in price? The market, like from my particular ballpark, the market is already speaking to us. We need to view price charts as a language. That's it. Price chart is a language, and it tells us whoever is involved. It doesn't matter if you are buying one share of Uber or if you're buying hundreds of millions of shares of Uber, your transaction is already listed here on this chart. So what's the need to do due diligence? Everyone else who has a position, a bias in Uber stock is already here. This is their thoughts right here. Now, basically, currently the environment of Uber is in a negative bias, meaning that people are not seeing this as a buying opportunity. The stock is going down. Let me show you how. You can tell. So let's not make this hard. You can see how the trend in Uber is in a downtrend. This market is making lower highs. Can you see that? I'm not here to try to show you something that's not on a chart. That's not my position. That's not my job. I'm here to show you what's going on. And we've seen numerous times to where Uber got rejected on this downtrend. Let me zoom in so you can see a little bit better. Take a look. So for anyone to say that this market is a buy is not showing you the chart, obviously. Now, could we see the price in Uber do this? Yes. Can we see the price come up here? Most definitely, but we would expect it to get rejected and come back down. So from where price is now, is it a buy? Do you suspect that the market's going to come back up here and test this downtrend line that I got drawn on my chart? Let's try to figure it out. Okay. Now let's see what we got in Uber on a weekly time frame, since we're starting out on a new week, right? I want to show you what we have. Now, look at this. This is not good news. Right here, we saw high volume, and the market in Uber tried to go up higher towards this descending line, but we ended up closing at the bottom of the low of the bar. Again, that doesn't look positive. It looks like the price in Uber is still trying to go to the downside. And this volume bar right here tells us what the majority of the market was doing. That was mostly selling. Yeah. The market initially last week in trading, yeah, it started out as a buy, and then the market ended up on the low, and all that volume translates over to somebody tried to sell the market in Uber. Yeah, right there. Now let's see what we got on the 2 weeks time frame then. So this is Uber on a 2 weeks. I'm not here to try to persuade you or sway you into thinking one way or the other. If the market was bullish, guess what? I'll tell you that too. But currently the environment is telling us something different, even on this 2 weeks perspective in Uber. Look at this. The market got rejected even on the 2 weeks time frame. So not only are we noticing that the market is in a downtrend in Uber, we can also see here that the price is getting rejected right around there, around $42.45. That's not a good thing. We are now approaching two areas that the buyers will have to overcome in order for us to be comfortable that the market is now going to go up. Yeah, we will have to see price trade above $42.50, and then we will have to see the market in Uber break that descending line right there. We will have to see that. And right now we're not seeing it. So I'm going to have to put a prediction that the market in Uber is still going to go down in price. Now, looking at this, okay, this is where I need your help. This is where I need your assistance. To how low you think the market's going to go then? Seriously, how low you think it's going to go? We have this information back here in the market for Uber, which is not really definitive as to, okay, yeah, the market may come down to $30. It may hit down here towards $26.50. Where do you think the market's going to go? For real. We have to get in position for these things. $30? Maybe a little bit higher. I would say, yeah, $30.45. It's going to be my first spot. Okay. It's going to be my first location for us to grab the bag, for us to profit in the market in Uber going down, right? $30. Next level is going to be $28.25. So we got $30.45 as the first area. $30.45 first area. Second area, $28.25, which is 19.42%. Okay. Let's look at this from a monthly perspective. 15 days, 5 hours left. I'm going to leave it there. Okay. I'm going to bring it down like 28.25, two price targets. If the weakness continues into the market in Uber, yeah. Would you say 22? What do you think? I'm not going to draw it down there yet, but it's something that we need to consider, okay, in Uber. Now, $30.45, right, was the first area. $30.45, second area, $28.25. Let me hit this back over to the daily time frame because we want to keep a lookout on the daily perspective as to how the market is performing against our price prediction. I'm going to bring this down to that 42.50 because we understand that that was restriction in the market in Uber. And we're going to extend this a little bit lower so we can keep track as to how the market is performing against our price prediction. Now, real quick, let me zoom in so you all can see what we got. Okay. So this is it. This is what I'm looking forward to into the market in Uber. Bring this in a little closer. Let's do this from the April time frame. Okay. So now you guys got it. Now I've shown you what my thoughts are. I've shown you what I'm expecting the price in Uber to do going forward. Now it's your turn. Let everyone know with a comment below what you think about Uber. Where do you think the price is going to go? You guys can see it right now, right here is my idea. Now it's your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.